future of electricity is here. Day 3 at ELECRAMA 2025 was a showcase of smart, sustainable and scalable energy solutions.
It is the most efficient. This is a solar system. You can connect this battery with this system.
For L&T panels, we have separate tools. We have used 6300 ampere.
It's wonderful to be here at the 16th edition of ELECRAMA, especially in the session of women entrepreneurs. I have come to know that more than 100 entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs are here today for the ELECRAMA show, and hats off to them.
ELECRAMA 2025, which is one of the world's largest exhibitions of electrical equipment, very full of energy and a lot of new products and solutions coming. As I see the future, I think the future is electric and India will be at the heart of it.
ELECRAMA is so electrifying.
Very big, very busy. Spectacular. It's electrifying, booming exhibition.